Guys, so I'm going to be editing this pretty plain picture into something more, you know, just better. I am on an iPhone 11 using iOS 14. So my goal is probably going to focus more on the mountain instead of more of this foreground because no one really cares about the snow. So I'm probably gonna start in color. I like to start with the main thing going on. It's gonna be, I usually start in light, but for this, I might just start in color. I'm not really going to change the tint because it's a pretty even picture. I'll touch the temperature at the end maybe. Um, I'll bring this up because the more dramatic pictures are in the background. I mean, the more dramatic colors from the background. So I'm definitely going to want to push this up so that you can, focus on those. Then the temperature, I'm going to make it a bit warmer to kind of balance out the blues. And that should be good. By the way, I forgot to mention this, Adobe Illustrator on a pro account. All right, now let's work on light. Exposure, I'm going to bring down just a little bit. Contrast, I'm going to bring up a bit, maybe to 15. By the way, when I reference a number, I mean the number that appears at the top of the screen and on the sidebar at the bottom. For highlights, I'll actually bring it down by like 6. Then I'll bring shadows up by 6. So that is pretty balanced. For whites, I'm going to want to bring it up about. No, actually, I'm going to bring it down so that the snow doesn't. Yeah, I'll bring it up to like 20. And then I'll bring this up too, so that way the snow still has its texture, but you can still focus on the cloud, so it kind of like drains it out. And I'm actually not really going to touch the rest of this stuff because I'll enable lens correction so it looks a bit more balanced. Sharpness doesn't really do much in my opinion. I mean, I know it does something. I'll turn it on. All right, so I know it doesn't look that different, but that's before and that's after. So you can definitely see the difference there.